Right guys, I'm actually going to speak on this video, and yes, I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with that table and 20 chopping boards today. I've been a right old industrious man. So using my favourite stuff, Odie's oil obviously, give it a good old mixy. And in this weather what I do is I get a takeaway pot, fill it up with some hot water, stick the jar in there, and that really does get it super duper gooey, so it's a bit easier. Get the application pad, put it on the application pad as so, and you know what to do now then, don't you? Little circular motions. You can really see. So I've sanded these to 240. And that's really all you need for Odie's oil. This is Vista resin, stuff I've always used, guys. It's always in my YouTube videos. Go back and have a look. Vista resin. This is Odie's oil UK. And with this cold weather, you'll notice that this will suck this straight up. That's why it's always good to sort of give it a little warm up first. And it goes a long way. One jar goes a really, really long way. Just notice something there. Sharpen up a second, guys. Just notice something on that. And for the perfectionist, 2 seconds. And like that. Good. So that's that one. It's this little one here. I've just done these for sample boards, really, for people. Because I think they're really good to have in your shop. It really does show people the true sort of scale of the resin and what it looks like. I mean, you know, for a sample in the workshop, I mean, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Like a mini table in a doll's house. Got some exciting news about Odie's oil anyway in a second. On my next video I'll announce that. Just want to get these all oiled up with you guys. Hope you like my new camera position. The bird's eye view. You can actually see what I do now. Look at that. Oak burr, absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see this one alright, but this one's going to take quite a bit. This is oak burr again. It's really strange because I seem to be able to apply oil with my left hand better than I can my right hand. Nobody else is like that. I use my right hand, it's all over the place. And that seems to really work in. You can really see that pop now. Oh, can't even pick it up. Gloves have gone too. Score sheet. I haven't really done much resin this year because obviously the cost of living crisis and people haven't really had those pennies there for those luxury tables that I normally do, so I've held off a bit. I want to get back into it next year. Been doing far too much site work. The trouble with site work is I'm only making other people rich doing site work, and not me. But there we go. That's that one sealed. Right, next one's the red one. Something about red and oak burr. Don't know what it is, guys. It just absolutely screams volumes. I absolutely love the stuff. I've got some excess on my gloves, so I'll try and use that all up. And I used 3/4 of the jar on that Sprinter's roof. Do the edges again, guys. I'm obviously going to flip these and do the bottoms. I won't do them today. This is the purpose of this video. Let them dry on. Lots of people rush the finishing stage. It seems sort of like slap it on. But my method is the slower you go, the faster you go. Another beautiful piece, and that piece, and I can't wait to show you this big piece just here. This is going to be wall art. Most of the dust off. This is wall art. Don't know where I'm going to put it. I'm going to laminate it. See how this oak burr is just popping. Yeah, so I'm probably going to laminate it on some oak and build an oak frame around it, and then it's going to become some wall art for my home or my office. I haven't decided yet. Just absolutely love this oak burr. The oak burr came from Malvern, and it was too thin for anything else other than this. So what I've done was I built obviously a massive mould, poured it, made my smaller pieces for samples, and then this was my intention, was to have a humongous wall art piece, because there's nothing more like you make all these beautiful pieces of furniture for people and then you've got nothing to show anybody else if they want it other than a picture. So this is a bit of a tribute to Vista resin even, and Obi's oil. So once I've rubbed it right in, I'll go up and down. Therefore, any surface I can rub in. I mean, you think I've made this today, and tomorrow I'm doing a stable front door, an oak stable front door. So you could say I do a lot of different jobs. There we are, guys. Absolutely stunning, wouldn't you agree? Favourite product in the whole wide world. Go and see odiesoil.co.uk. Get the same stuff as me. It's absolutely superb. I don't use anything else. Than this stuff. So this one jar has done a whole Sprinter conversion, a couple of tables, a couple of chopping boards, and now it's done these, and it's probably going to stretch and do 20 more chopping boards there, which I'll show you on the bird's eye view. 20 more boards there to do. So I know the initial 67 odd quid, I think it is, plus your postage for your starter kit. It goes such a long way, and they're really, really good. They supply everything you need. I can't say no more than go and have a look. Trust me, it works. It works for me, and I do this every day of the week. It's going to work for you in your little shed. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Please, questions, any sort of more things you want me to video, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. See my other socials. I'm on Instagram. I'm also on TikTok. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Have a good evening. Yoo, yoo, yoo.